How to turn off Amazon notifications on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn off notifications for the Amazon app on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have constantly been receiving notifications from Amazon and that you would like to turn those notifications off on your iPhone, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and launch a settings application here. Once you launch your settings app, you'll find an option known as notifications, so tap on notifications here. Once you go to notifications, right under it at the very top you'll find an application called Amazon. So when you tap the Amazon option over here, you should be able to see this type of interface, where what you need to do is right at the top you can see announce notifications. All you have to do is just turn this toggle off and the notification for this particular app will get successfully turned off. This way you can turn off Amazon notifications on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.